Hi everyone, we're going to form a polynomial p of x with real coefficients that have the given degree in zeros. So basically we have two complex zeros. They give you 2 plus I, but that means you also have 2 minus I. And you're supposed to know that that's the conjugate. And also they give you a 0 of 3 with the multiplicity of 2. So that would be written as x minus 3 squared. We're also going to use the associative property on this. And as you recall, probably from Algebra 1, the associative property is A plus the quantity of B plus C equals the quantity of A plus B plus C. That's going to help us eliminate the i's when we form our polynomial. So this is what we had. So I'm going to write this out. We're going to have x minus 3 squared. And then we're going to do the same thing for these. We're going to write x minus 2 plus I, because that's a 0, times x minus 2 minus I. And what I did here is I wrote this in the form of, now I have to use the associative property. So I'm going to, I want to get to use it so I can do this a squared plus b squared. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of this. This is x squared minus 6x plus 9. Now, what I'm going to do is rearrange the parentheses here. So I'm going to have x minus 2 plus I, and then x minus 2 minus I. And the reason I did that is because now I have the form of a plus bi times a minus bi. And there we have this form, and we know that equals a squared plus b squared. So in our case, our a equals x minus 2, and our b equals 1. It's the number in front. There's a 1. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and simplify further. X squared minus 6x plus 9. Again, this is our polynomial we are forming. And now I'm going to do my a squared plus b squared. My a is x minus 2, square it, plus b, which is 1, square it. And that gives you x squared, excuse me, x squared minus 6x plus 9. And then this part right here is x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 1. Finally, that gives you x squared minus 6x plus 9. And this would be x squared minus 4x plus 5. So what's happening here is if you got this and you had to factor it and find the zeros, you'd have to use a quadratic formula. And when you would get these two solutions, complex solutions. Now we have to put, we have to put all this together. And basically you're going to have to FOIL all this out. Keep doing this and keep doing that. And you're going to have 9 terms here. So go ahead and try that. I did it very quickly, so go ahead and FOIL all that out and then check and see if we got the same thing. What I got was p to the x, or p of x, equals x to the 4th minus 4x cubed plus 5x squared minus 6x cubed plus 24x squared minus 30x plus 9x squared, I'm running out of room, minus 36x plus 45. And then if you collect like terms, that's going to give you x to the 4th minus 10x cubed plus 38x squared minus 66x plus 45. I hope we got the same thing here. Leave a comment if you got something different. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.